We're gonna use a spell tab folder today to spell some words, okay? Now I want you to spell the word spur. Spur. So stretch it out as you're spelling it. S-p-er. I hear 3 sounds, but I know I need 4 letters. We're working with IR and ER and UR. You probably want to use one of that. And your vowel goes before your R. Remember, the bossy R always lets the vowel go first. All right, let me show you my spell tabs. Let's see if you got the same thing I got. Ready? S-p-er. Spur. Give me a high five if you got it right. Good job. You got spur correct. Let me try a whole new word. Who can tell me what word did I just spell? Reese, what does that say? Stir. Can you stretch it out with your fingers with me? Stir. Very good. All right. I'm gonna move my T to the end and I'm gonna add an H brother. So I'm gonna take my S away. I'm gonna put my SH at the beginning. Raise your hand if you know what this word is. Jessie? Shirt. Very good. Like you have a shirt on. But Jessie, what if I took my H brother away and I put my S back? I'm going to change and put a different consonant blend right there. Anybody know what this one is? What's this word, Parker? Skirt. Very good. This word is skirt. Just by changing one letter, I can completely change the word.